Hi there. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to adapt Backlog to your unique workflows with custom fields and customizable issue attributes. Let's say you're managing a website redesign project like this one, and you need to track the web browsers where bugs occur, such as Chrome or Firefox. Custom fields let you add this specific data to your Backlog issues. This feature is available only in premium plans. To add a custom field, go to Project Settings and click Custom Fields. Then click Add Custom Field. You can add as many as you wish. Name it. Let's call it Browser. Select the list type, though you can also choose other types, such as text, sentence, number, or date. Add options like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Check the box to make this field mandatory and choose which issue type it applies to, bugs in our case. Save it, and now Browser will appear as a custom field whenever you create or edit issues. Here it is. On top of custom fields, there are also customizable attributes like milestone, version, and category. Say your team needs to flag critical bugs separately for faster resolution. To add a custom category, click the plus icon next to it, type critical bug, and add it. This new category now appears in issue forms, and you can select several if you need. You can also use it to filter your Kanban boards, making it easy to prioritize urgent issues. While customizable attributes, like category, are easy to find on the Issues page, remember that custom fields are searchable via Advanced Search under the Other tab. Upgrade now to a premium plan to get custom fields. Thanks for watching.